You have to have your key fob working?
It has to have batteries to start the car. I mean, no, there's a manual way to start it, but like... Wait, is it locked?
Might have just saw a coyote. I saw something running in that field over there.
I have to beat its ass. 1 second though.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What y'all boys doing? You're a witness now.
He riding by your car though.
Stop. No, he riding by the he's plotting now.
You ain't got nothing expensive in that bitch, do you?
I got nothing in that bitch, bro. Just my wallet. It's like some shit that you play like those Russian audios too. Dude, Loki, why am I? Oh, it's a different car. With this backpack. Fuck, dude. If I got robbed for this backpack, I definitely can't get it back either. Huh?
Isn't the stairway down here?
Yeah. Dude, you know what had me dying in your recent? When
You said laughing to the bank.
Yes, I got it. Bro, I commented like I just commented like the captions or like the
It's right here.
I got us on the camera. We're good though.
No.
We're going by fast.
No, that wasn't no cop.
Wait, this is the staircase I have to take up.
Oh, this is the one I used to take up.
This goes to the roof?
Nah.
Nah, bro, what? Dude, there's one.
You used.
Battery, it goes straight to the roof.
It's probably the one back here then. There was one back here.
It's really like it's right here. Some decaying.
That sounded like someone running.
Yeah, it sounded, dude. Hello?
That truck. That truck. That's the same truck.
Let's go wash my car.
Yeah, we should. Definitely. It's just walk up out here.
For sure. I don't know what are the vibes right now, bro. It's kind of weird.
Spooky, bro.
Spooky as fuck, man. That truck. It doesn't even do anything heartbreaking in that shit, like, realistically. That was definitely the same.
It had the
bro.
roll on the back, bro. That's
roll?
There was a. Fuck these blocks.
Really in these streets, bro. Really in these streets. We outside with it, bro, every day. Should we move it?
Nah, he's coming around, bro. We should just get in it. And go. Yeah, yeah, we should just like.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here, bro. What the fuck, bro? Well, they patched that job, man.
They for sure did.
Think we can squeeze through that? Think so? Dude, wait, just push it open. Yo. Wait, you've just gone through there.
Yeah, the garage door is cracked. Yeah, make sure there's not people up in that bitch. That's outside.
Damn, there's tags on that wall. Oh yeah, people got tags in the place too. That's cool. What the fuck is that? This is a bomb.
It's actually really fucking cool looking out here.
I think you wanted to go in the rain, bro.
I want to.
Fight demons after pain.
That hole goes straight down.
Oh yeah, I know. Dude, there's nowhere to sit down, bro. It's all wet.
Oh yeah, look at this shit. This shit just coming right out.
I'm gonna set my camera and my tripod up. Bro, we left it in that one room I was taking a photo of the window in, bro.
Oh no, we gotta go back down.
Still working out? Yeah. No. One of the beers and shit.
Yeah,
You're agile enough to get up right there?
yeah, I'm agile enough, but it's... Yeah, here we go with this. What's up? Pretty good. How about yourselves? No, I'm good. I got a Nick stick. To here?
To here, yeah.
Yeah, I've been here a couple times. It's pretty here, isn't it?
You know what I want to see you do?
What's up?
I want to see you skate that shit.
I can't skate. I can't skate. Can you skate?
I try.
When?
Every day.
Really?
Yeah.
You got a skateboard right now?
Hell yeah, I got skateboard.
You like it?
That's a good workout, isn't it?
Sometimes,
It's chill.
you already know.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to smoke some dope?
I ain't putting that. I don't have any dope. I'm saying nigga for that.
All right, well, we about to go explore around a little bit, man. Y'all stay safe, okay, man?
Dude,
Yeah, for
you
sure.
come here. You come here.
No.
Come here.
What's up? What's up? You want to shake my hand?
Hell yeah, I want to shake your fucking hand, man.
Good. Good guy, man.
Jeez.
What's your name? What's your
My name's Scott. What's your name?
Lonnie?
Lonnie?
Scott, Lonnie, yup. What's your name, man?
Patrick, nice to meet you.
Lonnie. What's up, Patrick? What? Yeah, no, I'm about to go see the view and stuff, man. So, y'all stay smooth, man.
Yeah,
Stay safe.
Fucking state trash destroyed, dude.
Yup.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. Hell yeah.
Damn.
What the fuck? That sucks. Well, we're gonna take in the view a little bit. That is true. I got gloves in my hands. I got gloves. Gloves.
Stop right there. Stop. Keep your hands up. What are you doing?
We were literally
Keep your hands up.
we literally just pulled up. You can check me on my bag.
What are you doing?
We were literally going back there. We just walked up to that wall and then y'all just pulled up. But we were gonna go take a video back there with my GoPro. Yeah, no, I'm a fucking YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
You can take that off.
What's your
if you
YouTube
want.
name?
Bando.
I've got it already. So you can YouTube out the city or where else?
Appreciate you. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe out here. All right, bro. We jumping right here.
Yeah.
Are we doing saying fuck it? Where's the door?
It's over in there. We just gotta get the main corridor.
Hey, he yelling. That,
Yeah. He started yelling.
should we hop back out?
That car. He started yelling.
Okay. The feds are? Bro. We're fucked.
They're not inside. They're leaving.
They're leaving?
They're not inside the thing. They're outside. I can see them. Look.
Oh yeah.
Get down.
They're shining flashlights in here.
Dude, we're just gonna have to wait them out of here.
They and them are leaving.
It was like a white SUV or something. It was parked right in the front. Aye, for sure. I think we should just do it.
Yeah. Hopefully they're not chilling. Sorry. Sorry, you good? Get over.